Why does cracking your knuckles make a crack sound? Many people think it's because the bones are rubbing against each other or even cracking, but that's not true. So where does the sound actually come from? I'll explain it right now. If you don't want your hands to have problems, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Something surprising might happen. The truth is that inside your joints there is synovial fluid, which contains tiny gas bubbles. When you bend or stretch your fingers, the pressure changes, causing these bubbles to form and then burst. That exact moment creates the crack sound you hear.